Today we will learn the stock exchange terminology with meanings. Take a pen and paper and write down it, as it is very important for you to understand the terminology when you are trading in the stocks. First one is stock or trade or shares. A unit of ownership in a company. A unit of ownership in a company. When you purchase a share, you get a unit of ownership, means some portion of ownership. For example, out of 100%, if you have purchased 1% of the shares of the company, then you will become the owner of 1% of the assets minus liability net worth of the company. The next one is equity, ownership interest in a company typically through the shares. Only those who are holding equity shares will be the owners. Other type of shares will get their amount first, like the preferential shares, but they are not the real owners. The real owners are equity shareholders. Then the next one is bull market, a market in which the prices are rising or expected to rise. Every time, whenever there is a bull market, the prices of the shares will increase. The bear market means a market in which the prices are falling or expected to fall. If it is a bear market, then the prices will fall down. IPO, initial public offering, the price the first time a company offers its shares to the public. Initial public offering means the first time when the shares are offered to the public. Dividend, a portion of the company's profit distributed to the shareholders. When company distributes its profit to the shareholders, it is called dividend. Portfolio, a correction of the financial investments like the stocks, bonds, etc. A collection of the financial investments like the stock, bonds, etc. is called the portfolio. Index, a statistical measure of performance of a group of stocks. A statistical measure of performance of the group of stocks. Blue chip stocks, the shares of well established and financially sound companies. The shares of well established and financially sound companies. Volume, the total number of shares traded during a given time. Volume, the total number of shares traded during a given time. Market capitalization, it's also called market cap, the total value of companies' shares in the market price into the shares outstanding. Market capitalization, it's a simple thing. Whatever the share prices are there in the stock market into the number of shares, it's a market capitalization. The PE ratio, it's also called the price to earning ratio, a valuation ratio comparing the company's share prices to its per share earnings. Order book, a list showing all the buys and sell orders for specific stock. A list showing all buy and sell orders for specific stock. Limit order, an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. Limit order, a order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. For example, if the stock market, the share price is going for 101 rupee for a particular stock, you may give a limit order for 100 rupees only. So it's called a limit order. Then market order, an order to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. As given in the earlier example, if the market price is 101, then if you are giving the order at 101 only, that is called market order. Then the stop loss, stop loss, an order to sell a stock automatically when it falls to a certain price. Broker, a person or platform that facilitates buying and selling of the stocks. Demat account, an account to hold shares electronically in India. NSE or BSE, National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange, two main stock exchange in India. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, the regulator of stock market. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, the regulator of stock market. Day trading, buying and selling the stocks within the same trading day. Buying and selling the stock within the same trading day. Swing trading, holding stocks for a better few days or weeks to benefit from the expected price moves. Holding the stocks for a few days or weeks to benefit from the expected price moves. Long term investments, holding stocks for years to gain from the business growth and dividends. Short selling, selling the shares you do not know, own, betting that price will fall. Short selling, selling the shares you do not own, betting that the price will fall. Limit, the maximum price movement up or down allowed for a stock in a day. The volatility, degree of price fluctuation in the stock market. Liquidity, how easily a stock can be bought or sold in the market. Yield, income from an investment like dividend, usually shown as a percentage. These are the few stock market terms which you should know before entering the stock market. Thank you very much and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Thank you and God bless you.